Next, we're going to learn about the elevator operation and maintenance. Today, we will be discussing the operation and maintenance of elevators, an essential aspect of ensuring their safety, efficiency, and reliability. Regular maintenance is crucial for keeping elevators operational and safe. Proper maintenance prevents breakdowns and ensures passenger safety. Neglecting maintenance can lead to costly repairs and even accidents. Routine maintenance tasks. Routine maintenance. Overview. Routine maintenance is an essential part of keeping elevators running smoothly. This includes tasks like cleaning, lubricating, and inspecting various elevator components. Lubricating moving parts reduces friction and wear, helping to extend the life of the elevator system. Regular inspections help identify potential issues or malfunctions early on, allowing for timely repairs. Safety inspections. Importance of safety inspections. Safety inspections are vital to ensure compliance with safety regulations. Periodic inspections check for the proper functioning of safety features, such as emergency brakes and door sensors. These inspections help maintain the safety of both passengers and operators. Any issues identified during the inspection should be promptly repaired to prevent accidents. Emergency procedures. Emergency readiness. Elevator operators and maintenance teams should be well trained in emergency procedures. In the event of a power outage or malfunction, passengers may need to be safely evacuated. Operators should know how to handle evacuations and other emergencies. An emergency communication system should be in place to quickly contact help if needed. Troubleshooting common issues. Problem solving in maintenance. Technicians are responsible for troubleshooting common elevator issues. Common problems include door malfunctions or motor issues, which can cause delays and inconvenience. Technicians use diagnostic tools and their expertise to identify and resolve these problems efficiently. Routine maintenance helps prevent these issues from arising in the first place. Modernization and upgrades. Keeping elevators up to date. As technology evolves, elevators may require modernization to maintain efficiency and safety. Modernization involves upgrading control systems or replacing outdated components. These projects are typically carried out by experienced technicians to ensure a seamless update. Modernization can improve performance, energy efficiency, and passenger safety. Compliance with regulations. Regulatory compliance. Elevator operation and maintenance must adhere to strict regulations and codes. These regulations ensure that elevators remain safe and reliable for passengers. Regular inspections and adherence to maintenance schedules are key to maintaining compliance with these standards. Importance of training. The role of training. Training is critical for maintenance personnel to perform their duties effectively. Technicians need to be well versed in elevator systems, safety protocols, and troubleshooting techniques. Proper training programs equip them with the skills needed to ensure smooth operation and prevent accidents. Well-trained technicians contribute significantly to the safety and efficiency of elevator systems. In summary, regular elevator maintenance and proper operation are crucial for ensuring the safety, efficiency, and long-term reliability of elevators. Through routine inspections, compliance with regulations, and ongoing technician training, we can prevent breakdowns, reduce the likelihood of accidents, and enhance overall performance. Thank you.